What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this video. In this video today, I am going to show you another almost perfect strategy for trading your synthetic indices. What I mean by synthetic indices, I mean instruments like boom and crash, and also your volatility indices. So boom and crash meaning boom 1000, crash 1000, and the likes of that. So your volatility indices too, like your volatility 75 index, volatility 50, volatility 100. So this strategy can be used to trade volatility indices. This is volatility 50 index on the 5 minutes time frame. So you can actually use this strategy to trade on the 5 minutes time frame and also on the 15 minutes time frame. So but I advise best you use the 5 minutes time frame. So before I start anything, I want to address two issues. The first issue I face with my subscribers is that a lot of you guys ask questions like, what is zoom level 3? So before I do anything on this strategy, let me demonstrate what zoom level 3 is. So this is zoom level 1 on my screen. You zoom out completely to your zoom level 1. So this is zoom level 1. So you zoom in once, this is zoom level 2. This one is zoom level 1. So you zoom in once, this is zoom level 2, and again this is zoom level 3. This is zoom level 3, guys. So, and also this is how you set your screen. Don't set your screen such that the price action is almost close to this line. No, set your screen in such a way it's going to be like this. This is the best way to read your to set your screen. So guys, I hope with this you guys now finally understand how to set your screen accurately and also how to set the zoom level 3. So this strategy, guys, let me show you guys the settings for the strategy. So you click on your F icon, and then what you have on the first indicator is the moving average on your main chart. So we have period 20, shift 2. Pay attention to the shift. We normally use shift 0, but this is not shift 0 anymore. This strategy uses shift 2. So period 20, shift 2. Method is simple, apply to its close. So then you choose any color of your choice, then you click on done. So you should have something like this on your main chart, which is the blue moving average. So also the next indicator is the relative strength index, RSI. Give it period 1. So after giving it period 1, apply to should be close. Then the levels, you shouldn't have any level. Don't add any level. After doing that, you click on done. Even if you have a level on your RSI by default, please delete the level and click on done. Then you give it any styling you want, any color, and then you click on done. So you should have an empty RSI with no levels. So then the next thing is you put your alligator indicator. You search for it, and then this is what you should have. Please pay attention to the settings for the alligator. I understand that on our MT5, the arrangement is not the same for iOS and Android for this alligator. So at first you might have the just period, but the second setting here is not teeth period for Android users. It's going to be just shift. So make sure you pay attention to the settings of the alligator. Just period is 60, teeth period is 10, lips period is 10, just shift is 8, teeth shift is 0, lips shift is 1, then method is linear weighted, then apply to is median price HL over 2. So then on the styling for the just teeth and lips, please select any color of your choice, give it 3 pixel thickness, and then click on done. So after you do that, this is what you should have on your screen. exactly this, guys. This is what you should have on your screen. I'm sure you guys are getting what I'm saying. So this is what you should have on your screen. So guys, let me explain how this strategy works quickly. So this is how basically the strategy works. As you guys can see on our main chart, here, we have an intersection. We have for this buy trade here, for this buy trade right here, we have an intersection. So this is the intersection we have on our main chart. So the period 20 moving average crossed over the price action. So that means the price action is now above the period 20 moving average. So if you look at your alligator right here, you should notice that the color black moving average crossed over the other two moving averages. So this is your entry signal, but this crossover on the main chart is definitely going to happen. The crossover on your main chart is definitely going to happen before the crossover on your alligator. So the moment you see that, the moment you have your crossover on your main chart, what you should wait for is the crossover. Sorry for that once again. What you should wait for is the crossover on your alligator. So the moment you have crossover on both your main chart and your alligator, then you go for a buy, and then your stop loss should be here, the last lower low for a buy. That's for a buy trade. The last lower low before the crossover, that is going to be your stop loss. So if your last lower is, like, for example, let's assume it's 10 pips from your entry, then your take profit is going to be 30 pips above or 20 pips. That is 1 to 3 risk to reward or 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that is how you set your stop loss and take profit. Then for the sell trade, this is an example of a sell trade. On our main chart, we have a crossover here, right here. So on our indicator, on our alligator, the crossover occurred here also. So then what that means is this is going to happen first of all, the crossover on our main chart, then subsequently the crossover on the alligator. So immediately you spot something like that, you go for the sell. Your stop loss is going to be above the last higher high before the crossover for the sell, the last higher high, which is this. Then your take profit is going to be 20 pips below or 30 pips below. So basically this is how the strategy works, guys. It's a very, very good strategy if you can be patient enough to make good use of it. This is another setup here, guys. You have a crossover here on our main chart. The price action is below, even though the price action decided to come back and test the same place, which is actually allowed. So basically this should have been your stop loss. So as you can see, you will still be into the trade. You won't be taken out because your stop loss is here at 281.9 and your entry is around here. Your entry should be around here, which is 280.119, something like that. So, and then the retracement went all the way to 280.9, but our stop loss is 281.8. So that means we won't be taken out of the trade. Rather, we'll still be in the trade. And then we read all the way down. It came down, retraced again, came down, and all that. So your take profit should either be 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risks to reward. So this is, if we continue checking this thing out, guys, you will see that you will get to see a lot of setups, guys, because this is a 5 minutes time frame. So you can actually get a lot of setups with this strategy, guys. So in my next video, I am going to demonstrate how to use this strategy on other volatility indices like volatility 75 and volatility 100. So guys, try this strategy on your demo account, and then if you are confident enough about it, use it on your live account, guys. So this is what I have for you today. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you leave a nice comment down there in the comment section. Also, try and check the Forex Trading Masterclass course. The link is down there in the description of this video. That is the course that taught me how to trade the forex market, so make sure you check it out too. It's going to help you, it's going to help your trading career, and it's going to help your life. So make sure you check the course down there in the description of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.